what is Markov decision process? Under Markov decision process, in this decision process, the reinforcement learning we are used in this. So what is decision? Decision we have already seen, right? So what is decision? Decision theorem, decision tree we have already studied, right? So in first, second unit and third unit we have seen that decision tree and theorem, right? So what is decision? We are choosing the best decision among them, right? So if you are having one data set means by processing it will choose the best decision among that, right? So under that reinforcement learning we have a Markov decision process. So that will explain, Mithun Lakshmi will explain Markov decision process.
So good afternoon everyone. Markov decision process is nothing but that allows an agent to go for an event using a trial and error method. Then that allows the agent to do the task using that trial and error method. Then it will choose the perfect state in that method and it will give the expected output. It comes under the reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is nothing but allows the agent to perform tasks using this method and maximize the performance output. So it comes under the concept of reinforcement learning. So the job of a Markov decision process is it is used to decide a particular appropriate decision from that set of sequence of decision, and it will give the desired output to the user. Let us consider the real-time example called the focus problem, which we have studied here. In this problem, in this state, the opus will be present here. The opus is nothing but a monster or a thing that will kill the agent, which are going into the process. Here, our agent will be placed, and there are some of the pits and the gold and the sensors are there in this process, which will lead to the death of the given agent. Within this 16 states, there will be a state where the agent will need to get the gold and get out from that state. And also there will be some pits and some trees. Pits is nothing but a hole where the agent will fall into and then the agent will get died. And this will be the last state where the agent wanna take this gold and get out through that state. So this symbol represents the stench, and the stench is, where the stench will be present is near the pit state. So if stench is there, you could identify that there will be a pit adjacent to that stench, and there will be a breeze which is related to the so here gold is present. Then here will be some breeze will be there. So once the agent goes to this state, he feels a breeze. Then he feels that the gold is near to the breeze, in either this matrix or this. So he might easily identify where the gold is present. Once he feels that stage, he won't move to that particular state because there will be a pit. Then if an agent moves into the pit, it will lose his minus 1000 points. If an agent get the treasure of the gold, the agent will get the plus 1000 points. And if an agent get out of this problem using the gold, then agent will get the 10,000 points. Each action of an agent represents the minus 1 point. PEAS. P is the performance. Performance is nothing but how the agent is moving inside the problem. What are the steps, sequence of steps the agent is taking inside the problem, that represents the performance. And E is an environment. Environment is nothing but this is a 4x4 matrix where it contains the pit, stench, breeze, then gold, Hoopus and our agent. Hoopus is the monster. So that will represent the environment of this problem. And the actuators. Actuators is nothing but the action of an agent taking. That is, agent can move up, down, right, left. Agent cannot be moved from one matrix to other matrix by skipping the one matrix. It can move only one matrix to the right next to other matrix. Then last is the sensors. Sensors are nothing but how the rewards and penalties are given to the agents using the agent's action. As I said, if an agent is